Alright guys, today we're trying something a little bit different. Mariscos she sabe. And today we got the aguachile. We got 2 tacos. Got the michi. Ooh, that should look hella meaty and cheesy. Golly. With some salsa. Wow, we're a michi? Damn. That's gas as fuck. Came with a little shrimp on top. Unbelievable. Alright guys, so the first taco was just a shrimp one. This is the shrimp and octopus one. Oh my god. Wow. Wow. I'm a sucker for mariscos. Anything seafood, I love it. This is just top notch. Guys, I didn't even notice it came with a little gummy that looks like a shrimp. I don't know if I should eat or give it to my girlfriend. I'm eating. That looks fucking fire. Bro, tell me that does not look gas. The aguachile rojo's fire. Fire. Pair these up together. Best combo. Alright guys, not just with the regular tostada, you know. Echamos con su aguacito. Qué chulada, viejo. Le damos. You have to try this. 100%. The food was hella good. Overall, probably the best food we have here on the channel. Food was flavorful, cheesy, fresh. I'm gonna put their Instagram page right here, so if you do go ahead and decide to check them out, make sure you tell them that your friendly neighborhood Jesse sent you.